So the EV3 brick has many built-in apps, and we can use those apps without the need for a computer. What I want to show you very quickly is how the buttons work and how we find the various apps and demo programs. So the button in the middle is used to turn on our EV3 brick. It takes about 20 seconds. So when you're working, get into the habit of turning it on at the start of the lesson. We then have basically 4 directional arrows moving around the brick. And up in the top right here, we have a back button. And the back button is a bit like escape on a keyboard. So just to take you through some of the navigation, very simply, I'm going to move to the right until I see our different apps. Now, I'm not taking you through those in this workshop. There is a whole module coming up on those, but that's where you find the inbuilt apps. I just want to show you the demo program. And that demo program is where it says brick programming, save. And if I hit the enter button, you'll see the word demo. And if I move down to demo, I'm ready to go. And what I do is I place it on the table, move my book out the way, press go. And my brick, my robot, has carried out a demo activity. As I said earlier on, there are more, there's a whole section coming up on the various apps, and you can access those later on.